Bonjour, je m'appelle Ashka. I am very much happy that I now can speak French fluently, and all thanks to Fast Fluent Academy. I came across it when I searched for best French courses to enroll on Google, and I started my A1 certification here. I must say, they do deliver what they promises in their curriculum. I am thankful to the management for curating a special batch for me as per my timings. I also thank to Saloni ma'am who taught me and helped me throughout this journey. I must say that this is one of the best organizations or institutes to learn any foreign languages, as they do not just provide quality learning but also at affordable rates. So it's very unique, as they keep regular doubt solvings and regular test assessments to track the progress of a student, and I highly recommend this to all out there. Thank you. Au revoir.